Do you want to increase your sales in your restaurant using Google search and appear in first places? Please stay here with me until the end and I'm going to teach you how to do it. My name is Edgarfxz. If you don't know me, it's time to subscribe to this channel. You have to activate the bell, and if you like this content, please give me a like. And please, if you really want to learn more about it, just you can contact me. And let's get started. Well, the first thing that you have to do is going directly to ads.google.com and you will find this dashboard. In this case, I have done many campaigns, so I have some data here and you will find your data if you are doing the same. In this occasion, if you have a restaurant or probably a bakery or something else that is a local business, you need to know how to do this kind of campaigns because you will increase your sales because people will find you immediately in the first places. I have a restaurant and a craft beer here in my town. In my town is called Tlaxcala. It's a really small town that we are probably 2 hours driving from Mexico City to the east. And I want to show you how do I do my own campaign. So in this case, you're going to click here in the new campaign. Remember that we have done one before, but in this case, we're going to be focused only on local business. If you are living in a huge city, for example, well, in this case, Mexico is Mexico City, you can select only one area to target your audience. So, but in general, it works in a similar way. So in this case, we're going to click here and create campaign without a global guidance. Then we're going to click here only in the search section. I hope to do this as fast as possible because I really want to be fast and you can maintain your attention. So in this case, we don't have to click here in any of these options. We're going to click here only continue. And then we're going to name the name of our campaign. In this case, I'm going to place here or a type Chevatlan, that is the name of my business. Cheva is beer in Mayan, and Tlan is place in Nahuatl. If you have a combination, is the place of beer. And Chevatlan Restaurant 2020, or I don't know how you can name it. And then you're going to click here in only in search network. We're going to unselect display network. You can click here and show more settings if you really want, but we're going to watch what's here. So in this case, you can find the stars and then dates, campaign URL options, but in this case, we won't select anything, and we pass here to the enter the location. As I mentioned, I live in a small city called Tlaxcala. And well, I have done this before, and I have currently I have an ad running, but in this case I'm going to write the same location, that is Tlaxcala, but I really want a huge quantity of people, so I'm going to place here at Tlaxcala State. The state is or the province. I don't know how do you name in your country. Probably in Mexico are states, and Canada are province, and in other places are called I don't know, but you can write here in the comments how you call it, and you can click here in local options, and we're going to target as the same thing that Google recommends us. So in this case, we won't select anything else. And in this case, you're going to type the languages that you want to appear. In this case, if you speak, well, if you only speak English, only English will be written there. But if you are in another place, for example, here in Mexico, some keywords or keyboards of the computers come in Spanish or in English, or probably if you are in a French area, you have to select French and English just to increase the quantity of people that want to arrive. The next part is to click here in the audience. You can select the audience, absolutely. And in this case, we won't select anything, just if you really want to appear only with people who are searching for food and dining foodies, homeowners. It will increase probably the response of your ads. But in this case, we need to lead people to your website and to be known. And the budget, in this case, we will recommend at least for restaurant or local places 10 US dollars. In this case, 10 US dollars are 120 pesos. But in this case, Google recommends me to have a budget of 200 Mexican pesos that are similar to 10 US dollars. Yes, I have mentioned. So in this case, I'm going to place here 220 Mexican pesos. If you are in another place or you want to do campaigns from another country, you have to know that the behavior of the currency. And for the restaurant, it's important to have the CPA or the price of your click. In this case, I'm going to place here 13.41 Mexican pesos. Yes, I consider it is important CPA, and we're going to be focused on conversions. You can to be focused on clicks, but you really need to lead people to your website. Let's see our show more settings. No, it's okay. And the next part is to add an extension. Remember that you can add any extension, probably that you can activate the call extension if you have your cell phone, your mobile. You can add here. In this case, this is my mobile, because it's just if someone wants a pizza or someone wants a hamburger or someone wants something else, yes, people can call us. And you can click here. Also, you can add your location. If you are now in Google Business, you can add the address of your location of your business. And it's important. Also, you can add the evaluations by the customers. So here in the ad extension, you can add, for example, promotion extension. Probably you have one day that you are a discount, an important discount. For example, we're here in my restaurant, we have a Tuesday wings, and many people arrive for this promotion. And you can add the price extensions, location extension. For example, I can place here the location, and you can add more things, but you can add here all the extensions that you really want. In this case, I'm going to click here and save and continue. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please, you have to do it. You can help me to grow in this channel. So the next part is to write here the ad group name. For example, if you have different products and services or even places, you can place here only for the pizza. If you have pizzas, probably the days or probably only the products that you have to handle with pizzas, or I don't know. In this case, I'm going to write here directly the restaurant. And if you have a bakery, please, you have to name all the different cakes that you can bake in your bakery. So in this case, I'm going to write here pizza delivery. I don't remember how it is pronounced. For example, restaurant menus. And then once that you have made your keywords, this is the part of the keywords ideas, and we have to do an observation in the behavior of the user, how the user is looking for your ideas. Probably you really want to change some ideas, or we have to create negative ideas. We're going to create that negative keywords in the next video. Just that you have to learn this because it's important. Because if you don't if you don't add some negative words, you're going to waste money. For example, some people in my restaurant find the rules or some, for example, the rules, the schedule, or something that people want to know more about the operation of a restaurant. If we are selling a restaurant operation course, yes, it is important to add that kind of keywords. But in this case, for example, restaurant menu, pizza, hamburgers, delivery, and something like that. And we're going to continue. Just also, if you really want to do a search campaign for another place, you have to place probably, I don't know, in this moment I'm in Tlaxcala, but I want to advertise my restaurant on Mexico City. Just I have to place restaurants in Tlaxcala, and just will appear restaurants in Tlaxcala in Mexico City when they want to visit Tlaxcala, and people who want to visit Tlaxcala want to find an interesting restaurant. So in this case, I'm going to place pizza delivery, restaurant menu, hamburger delivery, all the places that we offer. And some German sausages, choripan, wings, and all the things that you are offering. And you can click here and enter your website. This is my website. Every people that click in my ad will lead to my website, and they will find this web page. Obviously, it is in Spanish. Just the images that you can watch tell you what we offer, and we also offer craft beer that is brewed here in the same place. And that's everything. You're going to click here and save and continue. And the next part is to create the ads. In this case, I'm going to click here Then copy paste my website. We have the menu here because that's what we are selling. It's important that if you are offering cakes or you have other kind of options, you have to add a landing page with the words that you want to sell. If you are selling, for example, as I mentioned, cakes, you can place fondant cakes, or I don't know, cheesecake, cheesecakes, the price, the size, and everything. I I have done this video. It's a long video, but you're going to learn many things. Just the headline is will be something that is come order your pizza and enjoy it. Uh, Headline number two, uh, hamburger, hamburgers, wings, or something else. Wings are probably sausages, gourmet sausages. But in this case, I'm going to remember that you only have 30 characters, so it is important to type the best options. For example, we offer kebabs and craft beer. Order now. You can add here the restaurant, the place, in this case La Scala, the description that you are offering, probably enjoy our pizza, our best pizza in town. And taste the aroma and flavor. Some other description. I'm going to add only 2 description. You can add more, but in this case, just to be more faster and to show this ad, and you can do it by yourself and increase your sales as soon as possible. So in this other description, wings with different sauce. We have barbecue, mango with habanero chili. Chili is the hottest chili